The trouble department is one of the departments that is manned 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It doesn't matter what the weather is. It doesn't matter if it's a holiday or whatever it is. We've got 2 men here. There's 3 shifts each day, and they cover the whole town to restore power or whatever needs a customer has. We're available to run on those calls. Initially, we get a call on the radio from dispatch. They will tell us if it's an outage or arcing wires, wire down for house fires or car wreck. We run to the call. They give us the address of where the cutout is that the outage is on, and then we'll show up to where the cutout is, and then we'll drive off. And a lot of people think we leave the scene, but we're actually driving the right of way out, looking at the lines, usually behind houses and stuff.
Let's see here what it says.
When the fuse blows, it sounds like a shotgun, and it does. A lot of times it will sound like it's right in their backyard, but it could be 2 blocks away. So that outage is caused when there's a fault on the line, and it causes the fuse to blow.
It wasn't like the big wire that runs across?
A lot of people will be standing outside, and a lot of times they'll give me a little piece of information that I can use to actually figure out what the problem is. There's times when it actually helps you get the people's lights back on quicker because you know where the issue is, especially at night. Everything's flashlights, you're getting out and walking in people's backyards. And usually most stuff we can do ourselves, get it on really quick, restore the power. But sometimes when we actually find a problem that needs a crew to come out, then it takes more time because the crew's got to come in, get the equipment they need, get the materials they need, and then come out and fix the problem.
Hey George, I copy that.
So that's why some outages are 4 to 6 hours, where some are an hour or less. Why we bring in a 3-man crew is for safety for us. I could go up there and try to work on that myself. If I get injured, there's no one here to assist me, so that's why there's a 3-man crew to keep them safe.